Hello and welcome. I'm Grace Anderson. I'm an accredited master coach. I coach people in various areas. I specialize particularly in coaching people who have had a breakup or divorce and helping them recover from the pain so they can start their lives afresh and build a happier future for themselves. I coach couples. I coach relationships in every way. I also coach executives and help them improve their team's productivity. I coach people in various personal development issues like mindset, careers, and so on and so forth. So you are in the right place. To contact me, please book a free discovery call with me below. Thank you.